In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Flutterflow. This is a fantastic way to make your app visually appealing and give it a personalized touch. We'll break down the process step by step so you'll have a clear understanding of how to get this done. Before we start, you'll need to have your Flutterflow project ready to go. If you haven't already, open your web browser and navigate to app.flutterflow.io. Log in with your credentials and open up your project. Once there, decide which page you'd like to personalize with a background image. For our example today, let's say you are working on the home page. Now, let's dive into the interface. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see a sidebar. Locate and click on the plus build icon here. This section is known as the UI builder. It's where you'll be able to access a variety of widgets, which are essentially the building blocks of your Flutterflow project. These widgets include elements like text, buttons, images, and more. We'll be focusing on the image widget today. Once you've got the UI builder open, scroll down just a bit until you find the commonly used elements section. It's here you'll find the image widget, which is marked with an icon and highlighted with a red box in your interface. The image widget is what you'll use to add the background image to your page. To place the image, simply click on the image widget, then drag it onto your selected page. You can drop it inside a container if you're using one, or place it directly onto the scaffold, which is the main layout area of your app. This step integrates the image right into your project. However, to truly make it act as a background, you need the image to be the farthest back element on your page. This is where a stack layout comes into play. A stack layout enables you to layer widgets on top of each other efficiently. In your case, positioning the image widget as the bottommost layer allows your background image to sit nicely behind any other content on your page. Simply add the stack layout by dragging it onto your page and then placing your image widget underneath other elements in this stack. With your image widget correctly positioned, your background image setup is complete. It's essential to remember these practical steps on layering and positioning, which ensure your design looks polished and intentional. By following this process, you'll be well on your way to creating a stunning custom backdrop for your app's page. Thanks for following along with this guide. Don't forget to save your changes, and as always, happy coding!